Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Mootion AI and what is it for. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Introducing the Mootion AI, and here I am accessing it from my laptop in my Google Chrome. And after that, you can put this keyword as Mootion AI, and this is the first recommendation when you get Motion that will help you to turn your idea into the visual stories. And there are several options like this. So basically, this Motion AI will help you to create the idea of your own to become the, let's say, the story, or also the science story. And also you can choose about the theme or thing that you would like to create. For example, here they will give you the idea to create the general creation, recording to video, face, and also create the faceless short video, and many more guys until the horror story like this. And if you need the inspiration or what the product of this Motion AI, you can visit the gallery, or if you scroll down, then it will show you several creations from another user. For example, I will show you here. So basically, this Motion AI will help you to create your short theme, and it will be produced or will be processed to become the several summary and even the script. So you just need put your prompt or short prompt like this, and this Motion AI will automatically help you to create the script into the script one until the several scripts that also related about your theme. For example, this theme or the prompt is about Nelson Mandela as a life of struggle, forgiveness, and freedom. And also, it not only produce the picture and also the script, but it will also help you to create the animation or the video, just like the story video, something like that. So, for example, I will give you a
Nelson Mandela was born
example.
in 1918 in the South African village of Mavezo. He joined the African
So this is the short example about the video, and also as you can see that this video has 9 scenes and also the pixel and also the duration. And if you would like to access it, don't forget to do the login first with your email, because for the new user they will usually give you 200 credits, but here I have already used it to create something. For example, I have tried to create the bedtime story. I put it in the next tab, and as you can see, I would like to try the to create the story, and this is the prompt: the durian, the king of fruits in a jungle. And if you would like to give the try of this AI, don't worry, because they will give you also the several idea down here. And also you can select the output language and also the AI avatar that will help you to presenting about the story that you would like to show to your audience. And also you can choose the ratio and also the visual style. So when you would like to apply the several stuffs down here, then it will reduce up to 20 credits. And if you click generate, then it will bring you into this section. For example, this already been processed or generated by this Motion AI. So as you can see that this scenes is really automatically made by this Mootion AI. The that this AI have provided us the scene 1 until scene 11th. And after that you can also see the picture that represent about the every single scene right here. But maybe unfortunately that the picture is also contain the watermark right here. But it is okay if you would like to produce it or if you would like to present it into your social media. And after that you can also download the every single picture right here. If you would like to make this every single picture to become the animation video, then you can actually manually download this picture one by one, and you can copy it and put it into your, let's say, into the CapCut or another editing video platform. But if you would like to create it as the animation, then you can click this animate all, but also it will reduce these several credits and the video will be like this, guys. So that's all. Don't forget to try this Mootion AI because it will help you a lot to create the video education or even the video horror and also the healing story like this. It also depends on the theme that you would like to present to your audience. And if you have any requests or feedback about this video, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.